Welcome to English Hub with Milan. Today we are diving into a beginner-friendly guide to spoken English. If you are struggling to speak English fluently, don't worry. This video will help you build confidence and improve your speaking skills step by step. Let's get started. English is an international language spoken in over 70 countries. It helps in jobs, travel, and social interactions. The better you speak, the more confident you feel. But how do you start? Let's break it down into a simple 3-step formula. The 3-step formula for learning spoken English. Step 1. Learn basic vocabulary. Start with common words and phrases like hello, thank you, excuse me. Use flashcards or apps like Duolingo or Memorize. Step 2. Practice short sentences. Speak simple sentences daily. I need water. Where is the market? Try self-talk. Describe what you are doing. I am making tea. Step 3. Listen and imitate. Watch English movies, podcasts, and YouTube videos. Repeat after native speakers. Copy their pronunciation and tone. Daily phrases for everyday conversations. Common greetings. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Introducing yourself. Questions. Can you help me? What is your name? Improve your fluency. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. Talk to yourself. Describe your daily routine in English. Use a mirror to practice expressions and pronunciations. Join an English speaking group, online or offline. Time for a quick practice session. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Learning English every day. English is fun and easy. Keep practicing these sentences daily. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to English Hub with Milan. See you in the next video.